Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best exercise bike desks in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is DeskCycle under Desk Bike Pedal Exerciser. This isn't precisely a bike desk, but it allows you to turn any table into a bike desk because you simply place it underneath any table. This under-desk exercise machine gives you a ton of flexibility, and its adjustable pedal straps ensure your feet will be stable during the entire workout. You can choose between 8 calibrated resistance settings, so you can constantly challenge yourself when you feel like it. This bike pedal exerciser has a high-quality magnetic resistance that delivers a smooth and quiet pedal motion. It comes with a removable LCD that shows you useful information like time, calories burned, distance, and speed. Users can also track their progress using an Apple Watch or Fitbit, and you can even download a companion app on your Apple/Android devices or computers. This is an excellent compromise for those who want to save more money and space in their rooms. The only downside is that it doesn't have a specified height range, so taller individuals might not have the best experience with it. Number 2. Our second best pick is FitDesk Desk Bike Folding Workout Stationary Bicycle Desk. Bringing things down to a slightly more reasonable price point, it offers a wide range of features that make it an excellent choice for those who are perhaps more concerned about exercise than desk work. Although the desk is notably smaller than most, this bike desk is super quiet and has a high-velocity flywheel that allows its user to select a variety of intensity settings for their workouts. Although relatively small, the desk features a unique non-slip surface, so you won't have to worry about sliding papers or phones. A built-in tablet holder makes it supremely easy to watch movies or read ebooks while working out. There's also an all-purpose easy storage tray for miscellaneous items and forearm massage rollers that are positioned to make typing while exercising surprisingly comfortable. You'll have full access to a digital resistance meter that tracks your mileage, calories, and time. The seat back is fully adjustable and extendable, so you'll be able to sit in either an upright or semi-recumbent position, or any position in between, for the duration of your workout. This Desk Bike 3.0 can be used by people of all shapes and sizes since its heavy-duty powder-coated steel frame can carry up to 300 pounds. Number 3. Our third best pick is FlexiSpot Desk Bike. It isn't the most affordable option, but its quality and features make it worth the splurge. It makes multitasking easier than ever by offering a large and multi-layered non-slip platform that can hold a tablet, laptop, smartphone, or book. You'll be able to customize the height of the tray from 37.5 to 41.25 inches using a simple knob, so you can use this bike whether you're 5 feet 1 inch or 6'2". There's an LCD monitor that allows you to track calories burned, distance, and time, and the flywheel can be adjusted to attain your ideal workout ranging from light movement to a full-fledged cardio exercise. This bike is also incredibly comfortable, thanks to a sliding seat rail system that offers easy adjustment and solid locking. The pedaling mechanism of the bike is impressively quiet, so you can watch movies or listen to music while biking and have no distractions. Users will have 8 levels of resistance control, so you can opt for a light workout or a heavier one. This is available in 2 color options, black or white. It may not be the most advanced option on this list, but it's a solid choice, even if it's expensive compared to the rest of the options. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is EXERPEUTIC 2500 Bluetooth 3-way adjustable desk. Exercise equipment is rarely cheap, so it should be no surprise that exercise bikes with fully functional desks attached to them may be a little more pricey than their desk-less brethren. Still, if you want to stay fit without devoting an extra hour or 2 each day to a gym that almost certainly contains no desks, these combo gadgets are likely worth the investment. This bike desk is ideal for professionals who want a simple, effective way to work out or even relax while tackling a literal or metaphorical pile of work in front of them. This bike is ideal for working on paper, a laptop, a tablet, a smartphone, or virtually any other device. It features a state-of-the-art high-torque 3-piece crank system, making it easy to adjust the resistance level to match your workout needs quickly. It comes with a heart pulse monitoring and a double-drive transmission system that ensures you'll be able to stay on top of your fitness stats and stay on track to meet your goals, and it even folds down neatly so you can move it from room to room with the attached transportation wheels. Perhaps most importantly, this bike is exceptionally comfortable thanks to a 1.5-inch airsoft seat that provides enough padding for extended workout sessions. This seat also brings aerodynamic healthcare technology that allows air to breathe through the fabric, so you won't have to worry about sweat buildup. It even comes with an adjustable sliding desktop, can support up to 300 pounds of weight, allows for 8-level tension resistance, and boasts a fully functional LCD computer that will enable you to monitor everything from calories burned to time, speed, heart rate, and more. For its price tag of $399, it's a sizable investment, but it's an excellent tool for you to start getting fit while you're busy working in the office or at home. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is FitRite Bike Desk. Another decent, affordable option is this model bike desk. This stationary bike desk doesn't have the most high-tech features, but it's still a fantastic choice for those who want to step up their fitness game. It can support up to 285 pounds, and you can rest assured that it will last you a long time because of its sturdy steel frame. The bike desk has an adjustable desk and seat, so you can use it if you're as short as 5'2" or as tall as 6'5". Its rubber desk can fit your laptops, tablets, smartphones, books, etc., and its non-slip rubber surfaces ensure your devices remain stable. It has a comfortable padded seat covered in leather that will guarantee impressive comfort and longevity. The bike has 8 resistance levels, which you can adjust according to your fitness level. It also has a built-in LCD monitor that allows you to track your burnt calories, distance, time, and speed. This bike desk gets delivered to you pre-assembled, so it will only take a few more steps to get it entirely set up. It features a 2-step folding design, and its 4 easy-move rollers allow you to move the bike wherever you want conveniently. The entire bike desk has a small footprint, so you can still fit it inside a tiny room. Users will have a peaceful time working on this bike desk because of its smooth and silent belt drive system. We only wish the bike desk came with a back support and pedal straps. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.